afternoon. I am going to give you a video tour of one of our studio apartments, number 212. It's got a full kitchen appliance package. This unit is on the second floor. All of our second floor apartments have concrete flooring. Your appliances will have automatic ice makers, full kitchen appliance package with over-the-range microwaves, dishwashers, electric ovens. They've got garbage disposals. There's a little desk, bar stool area there. Wraps around. Kind of give you, it's got the washer and dryer, full-size stackable washer and dryer. You've got 2 ceiling fans. This wraps around. You've got a closet area here. It's got lots of shelving in there. 2 racks of shelving. Let me turn on the lights for you in the bathroom. The bathroom has the barn style door. You've got lots of linen space here. And then you do have your walk-in shower in the corner as well. So this 2-bedroom unit does have a balcony. It faces south towards the river. I'm gonna open the blinds for you here so you can see our view. You'll have a view of the new bridge that's coming in. You've got view of the parking lot down below. So this kind of gives you an idea of the view. You've got an outlet out here. If you wanted to do some lighting or plug-ins, you can do that on the exterior. So this is our studio, one of our studio apartments, number 212.